Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to u equals to s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both side. dv, we have e to the power of 11s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of 11s over 11. So we have u multiplied by v, and I will put the bounds from 0 to number 1. Minus, we have the integration from 0 to number 1, and we have the u multiplied by v. So the integration of this one, that is about 1 over 11 e to the power of 11s over 11, and I will put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.